VWED is a joint venture co-founded by Volkswagen Group and FAW Group. It is headquartered in the beautiful coastal city of Dalian. Our product is the EA888 turbocharged gasoline direct injection engine. It is widely used in high-power models of FAW Volkswagen brand. We have a motivated team. We are focused to build a leading engine manufacturer in China in terms of digitalization, sustainability, environmental protection, efficiency, quality, and diversity.
The world is undergoing a profound transformation. 5G networks, smart terminals, and new sensors have been implemented quickly. New technologies that once seemed out of reach have become the standard. Facing Industry 4.0, ROI-ED accelerates the development of an intelligent manufacturing platform. Hereby, every manufacturing step has the goal to be precise, focused, and excellent. When you walk into our factory, everything you see is digital. Busy robots, fast-moving equipment. AMRs deliver the material exactly to the destination location. Smart glasses enable remote diagnosis. Smart terminals display production status in real time. Smart gloves simulate every step of a worker's operation. Let's follow our value stream steps. Start the intelligent journey of an engine in our plant.
The Smart Logistics Systems enables online order release and confirmation. The Smart Storage System ensures information synchronization and efficiency, leading to a fully integrated logistic chain. According to dispatch instructions, AMRs deliver parts accurately to the production line. In the machining area, the automation rate reaches 100%, perfectly combining CNC machines and industrial robots. RFID realizes a unique identification for each part. During the whole product lifecycle, quality can be traced. The PDM system collects all kinds of operational data in real time, automatically generating multi-dimensional operations reports. The OEE module can analyze the hourly output and shutdown reasons. The cycle time analysis module can extract information about efficiency loss. The capacity analysis module accurately and dynamically identifies capacity bottlenecks. The digital TPM system automatically collects key machine data, e.g. about inspection and maintenance, reducing response and repair time, realizing smart dispatch and tracking of maintenance orders, and implementing equipment lifecycle management. The predictive maintenance system enables fault diagnosis ahead of failures and planned maintenance activities. The tracking and tracing system records all information of the finished products, ensuring FIFO and accurate storage location management. Assembly line digital twins reflect the production process in real time, with a dynamic display of the whole process from the assembly start to the end, with real-time push notifications to quickly expose and solve problems. Human-robot collaboration maximizes the advantages of human and machine. The AI visual inspection robot makes end-of-the-line quality control, relying on a data lake and machine learning, quickly and accurately identifying quality risks. High-standard systematic testing and quality traceability platform makes the process transparent. Every step is dedicated to the quality assurance. Shop floor management penetrates all areas of production. It is completely digital through every layer. All modules of the digital factory system are linked together, making KPIs clear and visual at all levels. Supporting the status tracking in the shop floor meetings. The escalation module automatically escalates unresolved issues, continuously improving the maturity of our operations management. Reviewing our entire value stream mapping, from the components to the finished engines, the digital value stream system integrates inventory data of all areas in real time, creating an inventory visual platform for the whole process. to continuously optimize the production cycle, improving the liquidity flow of the whole plant, enabling clarity of material and information flow. In addition, environmental protection is always an important part of VWED strategy. The energy management system collects all energy data in real time, monitoring the energy use and analyzing optimization solutions to achieve efficient energy use and savings. We believe that every innovation is a leap into the future. VWED will continue to challenge the limits, improving more and more, strengthening data integration and utilization. Production and operation activities can be driven through data. The application of artificial intelligence will be extended, enabling VWED to achieve higher levels of productivity and competitiveness. Digital future, now in hand.